Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about StockX. StockX is an online marketplace that has gained significant popularity in the world of sneakers and sweaters reselling. As a general review, StockX provides a platform for buyers and sellers to trade various products, primarily sneakers, sweaters, clothing, accessories, and even electronics. While StockX has its advantage and disadvantage, it has managed to establish itself as a prominent player in the reselling industry. One of the key of strength of StockX is its authentication process. The platform employs a team of authenticator who meticulously inspect and verify the authenticity of every item sold. This assurance gives buyers peace of mind knowing that they are purchasing legitimate products. Additionally, StockX provides a transparent and secure marketplace where buyers and sellers can interact, and the bidding and asking system allows for fair pricing, and the ecosystem ensures that both parties are protected during the transaction process. So how to join? Let's sign up. So yeah, you need the first name, the last name, the email, the password, or you can just skip all that by logging in by using Google, Facebook, Apple account, or Twitter. So let's go with Google. That's it. Yeah, that's it. You just join the StockX. To sell, you click sell. Easy. And yes, just sell the products. They do the shipping, and you take the money. Find me an easiest way. There isn't any easiest way. This is the best way. So StockX interface is user-friendly, making it relatively easy to browse, search for desired item. So here you search for brand, colors, etc. The platform also provides historically pricing data, allow users to gauge the market value of particular products. These features can be helpful for buyers who want to make informed purchasing decisions or sellers looking to set competitive price. So the website is for sneakers and sweaters, like especially for those. But let's look for something more specific, something like lighters. I'm not a smoker, but I like playing with lighters, and you will see why. Look at this. Look, look at this. Oh, you can sort by everything. I mean, some websites allows you to sort by price or by reputation, but here you can sort by feature, popularity. We have the lowest ask, the highest bids, the average price. We have the total sold, volatility, price premium, last sale, lowest ask, highest bid, everything. You can sort by anything you want. And the prices are okay. The prices are a bit normal. No, they aren't normal. Yeah, they aren't normal. But those, I mean, awesome lighters. So only 2 page. So yeah, the website is for sneakers, shoes, apparel, electronics, trading cards, collectible, and accessories. So lighters are a bit rare. That's explain the high price. But however, there are a few drawbacks to consider using when using StockX. Firstly, the platform charges various fees. which can add up effectively to the overall cost. Furthermore, some users have reported delays in shipping and customer support response time. While these issues may not be prevalent for every user, they can be frustrating when those who encounter them. So the drawbacks are tiny and visible. So this website is good and have something to be fashion, to be on the mode. So here we have the Jordan 4 Retro, the Jordan 6 Retro Toro Bravo, the Jordan 1 High OG Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse. Okay. We have popular brands, Jordan, Supreme, Burberry, Louis Vuitton, PS5, and we have trending sneakers as seen on Instagram. Okay, they use Instagram for marketing. Good. Air Jordan first, and they're $200. Nice. In my country, you can find it half the price. I mean, yeah, but I'm not in China. So in China will be half of the price. Okay, but good quality. Yeah, yeah. I'm not getting banned, right? Okay, let's continue. We have sneakers, shoes, apparel. We have accessories, electronics, Nvidia, Nintendo, iPhones, Macs, iPads, certificates for PS5 and others. Trading cards, Yu-Gi-Oh, collectible, men, women, women, and kids. So yeah, this website helps you do everything. So let's search for brand or color. Oh, sorry. Let's just... Yes. Yes, I'm seeing something. Wait, I clicked on sell. Current listing, history, professional tools. No, just forget about it. The selling might be hard. So in summary, StockX has made a significant impact in the world of sneakers and sweatwear reselling. With its robust authentication process, transparent marketplace, and historical pricing data, it has attracted a large user base. However, it's important to be aware of the associated fees and potential customers support delay. Overall, StockX remains a valuable platform for individuals interested in buying or selling sneakers and streetwear, providing a reliable and secure online marketplace. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.